So this is my 3D printing setup, and it kind of sucks. It's massive, it takes up so much space, it is literally blocking my entire corner over here. And all my filament just lying there. So today we will be building a cabinet. Let's set some requirements. It has to be modular to allow future changes. It has to look good. And it has to have a place to put my 3D printer and the AMS. And it should also have storage for the 3D printer filament and for all my tech stuff. But I don't really have any materials for that, so let's do some shopping. So now we can actually start building. But right now the legs are pretty unstable. To fix that I added some MDF to support them better. So now we can add the shelf for my AMS and for my 3D printer. Now I'm really happy with how this turned out, but there's one issue I have with this design, and that's that the vibrations from the 3D printer when it's printing slowly makes the shelf slide out. So let's fix this. So now we can start building the drawer. Okay, so one is done, 2 more to go. So theoretically the drawers will be done. However, they don't look very good, so we're gonna paint them first. For the top drawer with all my tech, I will definitely need to build an organization system. But this is a task for a future video. So it's been quite a while. And a lot of things changed. I even got a new camera and worked on a bunch of new interesting projects. But as you see, the cabinet didn't change at all. That's because I was planning to add interchangeable front panels for the drawers that I wanted to cut with a laser. However, I ran into so many issues on the way that I didn't manage to complete it in time for the holidays, and now the makerspace is closed for more than a month. So I decided to end this video here. I'm definitely going to make a part 2, where I add the front panels and a lot of other upgrades I already have in mind to this piece. However, I just want to get done with this video.